Hey business owners, either you're a new business owner or existing business owner. Today I want to show you where to start with building business credit. Two types of business credit. You have business credit and corporate credit. Business credit and when you solely use yourself as the PG to your business to get money. I don't care if you're making a lot of money or a little money, you got to be the PG unless you're making a certain amount, and I think there's over $1 million a year. Now, as corporate credit, you can get there where you are no longer the PG, meaning your business making enough money, it can stand on its own, it's structured properly. They don't care who the owner is. Their business has the ability to pay the money back without knowing who the owner is. But as you're wondering, how do I get business credit if I make no money? Well, it's very simple. First step is your personal credit score does matter. You may have heard this so many times, and it's true, because you're going for business credit, meaning you, as the business owner, should have good credit. Whenever I look at credit reports, I like to look at a credit report like I'm the lender or I'm the bank. I want to know that the person who paying me has the ability to repay me. I want to know they take care of their bills. So if you have below a 700 credit score, it's time to start working on it. On top of that, it's a few more things you need to do, which I'm going to talk about now. You need to work on building personal credit. You need at least $1,000 to $2,000 in credit cards reporting. If you have that much reporting on your personal credit, when you go apply for business credit, not only do you have good credit, but you have good credit history and you show you have the ability to manage debt. That's how you start getting business credit. Very simple. Now let's get into some of the smart things that people should do that they don't do. When you structure your business, you should set it up as an LLC. Go to your Secretary of State after you do that. So if you had a business that's already been existing or it's a fairly new business, after you structure your business, go to the Secretary of State of your state, look up your business and see what do the banks and lenders see. You should have the correct address, the correct name, and you should not be using your residential address. You should have a virtual address. After you do that, you want to make sure that you're paying your annual filings. So every business has to pay annual taxes if you're set up with your Secretary of State. Make sure that you're paying it. Then you want to go get some of the most simple things that people overlook, a business bank account. Yes, you need that. A business email. You can't not use a Gmail. Get a website. Build your Facebook. Build your social media pages. And on top of all that, don't use your personal phone number. If you could put all these things together, getting business credit would be so simple. Once you do every single thing I just said, you can go to your local credit union or your local bank and go apply for business credit. If you have a good credit score and you have structured and set up your business properly, you don't need to even add trade lines to your business. You can go get business credit solely based on how your business is set up and your personal credit. I have did it. My first credit card for my business was $5,000 and I got it through Home Depot because I had good personal credit. So you can do these things too. Nothing has changed, but it's so much information that overcomplicates it. So go to the description, look at the guideline and the steps. If you need a mentor for your business credit, I am certified to do things when it comes to financial literacy and bookkeeping for businesses. So I know what it takes to get a business funded. Go down to the link, sign up, let's become friends. I hope I gave you a lot of valuable information. Subscribe. And if you have any other questions, shoot them to me in the comment section. So if you don't know me, I'm Zebulon Mitchell, certified financial literacy coach, and I teach business owners where to get started. So within 5 minutes, I'm going to show you some of the simple steps you can do to get your business credit started and get funded. Most people can get their business funded within the first 30 days of doing these steps. So pay attention.